Hello, this is Dean Takahashi from VentureBeat. I'm here at the Intel Developer Forum with Vikas Gupta from Transgaming. He's the CEO of Transgaming, which has been around for 10 years, but it's introducing GameTree TV here, something that's going to be new to people in the very near future here. Vikas, how are you doing?
Not too bad, Dean. Thank you. How are you? How's yourself?
Yeah, tell us about GameTree TV.
Absolutely. So GameTree TV is Transgaming's interactive entertainment on-demand platform for next-generation smart TVs.
I'll zoom in a little on this screen here.
What you're looking at really is the main gateway screen, as we call it. This is the primary application or environment that a consumer would see once they actually click on GameTree TV or Games on Demand from their next-generation smart television. Our idea really around this has been to introduce GameTree TV as an interactive experience that's complementary to television viewing. As a result, we've designed the entire UI and the entire user experience from the ground up specifically for smart TV. We start off with opening videos and trailers of some of the most popular games that are out there. We adjust these on a regular weekly basis, and we're really trying to cater to what consumer behavior is already all about, which is that when they're watching television, they're used to seeing advertising for upcoming television shows.
And what's the analogy? Is it like these are like branches of the tree, maybe? Or
yeah, we actually call them petals.
Okay.
But yes, I mean it's branches or petals, however you want to refer to it. The idea really is to create a user experience that allows the consumer to navigate very quickly and easily, through the UI. But at the same time, we're very focused on discoverability of content. So if the user knows what they want, let's say they like family games as an example, you can very quickly get into family games and select your favorite one, or be able to search through them and find one that suits your needs. We've got a variety of different flexible business models for the consumer as well. So the consumer can rent a game for 99 cents for one day, $2.99 for a week, or do the equivalent of buying the game for $9.99. We'll be adding subscriptions in the upcoming months, as well as games that offer in-game microtransactions as well in the next few months thereafter.
And where is it available now?
We've launched GameTree TV with Free in France. Free is the second largest operator in France. They're our first customer. We've got a series of additional deployments that will continue to happen in the next few months.
And I guess it's not quite a console game experience here, but it's also a step up from a lot of other game platforms out there that are sort of more geared towards casual gamers, I guess.
Yeah, no, it absolutely is. Our focus really is to offer content for the broad family demographic. So we're going after moms, we're going after kids, tweens, teenagers, and fathers. We're staying away from trying to compete or look like we're competing with the AAA gamer, the consoles, the high-end PCs, etc. We believe that market is already highly overserved. So really for us, this is about aggregating quality content for the broad family or the mainstream audience. So those are the things that are important to us, and we believe that that's a big audience that's looking for quality content. You can see here also that with a high definition type of experience, we're really trying to take gaming up significantly. And so with this, it's all high quality curated content. We're not trying to be an app store where it's open to anyone and everyone from a development standpoint. We're very carefully picking and choosing the right kind of content that we believe will cater to the needs of our audience.
And this is running on Intel-based hardware. Can you talk a little about that as well?
Yeah, so this is an Intel reference platform. This is actually running the Intel Atom core on the 4200 platform, which is the Groveland. What that allows us to do is offer fairly good high-end graphics. It's a full system on chip, so you've got the Intel CPU, Power VR GPU on it. This one's running at 1.2 gigahertz and over a gig of RAM.
And Intel's an investor in Transgaming as well, but I guess you guys will at some point move on to other platforms too.
Well, Intel Capital is definitely an investor. They invested a couple of years ago. We believe that Intel is doing a great job with getting market adoption of the Atom core at the CE level. They've got a very strong pipeline from a managed service operator perspective, as well as CE boxes and other set-top box manufacturers as well.
And I guess there's a great deal of competition that's sort of coming into the living room here. There will be some Android set-top boxes with games on them, and there's the consoles already. There's things like OnLive, so it's getting to be a pretty interesting competitive market now.
Yeah, it absolutely is, and I think the number of competitors really demonstrates the validation of how big gaming is going to be for the broad market, and the fact that everyone's trying to make gaming more and more ubiquitous. So again, we see that as real strong evidence that this is the place to be, and it's going to be a massive market opportunity over the next little while. Having said that, there are a lot of new players. There's really no one that's really taken the lead yet, so it's a fragmented marketplace today. By launching with Free, which is truly an innovator and a pioneer as it relates to the managed service operator world, we believe that we've established a really good head start, and we're not slowing down in any way. We've got a great roadmap of features and capabilities that we're building into Game Tree TV over the next little while planned, and we fully expect that with additional operator launches, we'll continue to gain more and more market traction.
Cool. Very good. Thank you very much, Vicus.
I'll show you a couple of things if you're interested.
Go ahead.
One of the things that we're trying to do is really as with a focus on trying to cater to the television audience. We've got all the standard things such as new games that we're launching on a regular basis. We've got things like coming soon. No differently than what people are used to on their television of new shows that are coming out. We're showcasing the same thing. We're also taking the approach of channels. So as an example, we've got the PopCap channel, which then gets branded, as you can see on the right end of the screen, with PopCap type of content. We're going to start adopting more and more of this channel approach, where specifically with certain types of content, we'll give that partner the right kind of branding, so that as a family, as a parent, as a user, you can enjoy the content that you're most comfortable with, that really fits into your sweet spot. So again, this is one example of some of the innovation that we're doing. And again, we've built this from the ground up specifically for smart TV. So all of our features are based around that. We're not trying to bring a PC-centric experience to the television, but rather think about the television as a whole.
Cool. Very good. Thank you very much. That's Vicus Gupta at Trans Gaming at the Intel Developer Forum. Thank you.